Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to refresh the location on your AirTag. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, swipe to the app library and search for Find My. Next, go to the Items tab and select your AirTag. If the location is not updating, scroll down and tap Remove Item. Then enter your Apple ID password. After that, tap Add Item to reconnect the AirTag. This usually refreshes the location. If it still doesn't update, go to Settings, turn Wi-Fi off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Find My again and check the AirTag. And that's it. That's how to refresh the location on your AirTag. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.